This is day 14, section hiking the New England portion of the Appalachian Trail. And we just got dropped off. We are headed back on trail. 7 a.m. Got no real resupplies over the next 6 days until Todd gets here. Really great views today. Two big things today are hitting the end of Massachusetts, and we'll hit 100 miles total before the day's out. Very exciting. And following this stream riverbed uphill all morning, very nice. It's little waterfalls. We're headed to an open summit. Option if it's too windy to go around. Big rock scramble trail. Basically going straight up the hill. This tree's growth path. I am officially through Massachusetts and entering Vermont. Very exciting. I can't believe I'm already through the whole state, and yeah, it's unreal. Buggy. So I'll be on the long trail as well as the Appalachian Trail for the next 105 miles. But the Vermont long trail continues on for another 168 more miles. Future goals, maybe. Woo! Songbirds. Really vocal here. I love the birds. It's a glacier rock that, once the ice melted, it rested on top of other rocks in a very unique fashion. It's a cool one. Twist of the bark on the tree is interesting. These rocks are great, but they're very slippery. Well, I just crossed 100 miles hiked on the AT. It's super exciting progress point. Been walking for 12 days, 2 rest days. What a journey so far. And hopefully many more miles to come. Getting a little rain, just a little spit, but you can really see how misty it is and a little foggy. Yeah. Pretty low visibility. It's supposed to rain a lot from 2 to 4. I think I'm gonna make it to camp before. And hopefully. Today's hike started in North Adams and finished at the Seth Warner shelter. It took me 6.5 hours and just over 9 miles. The elevation was over 4,000 feet, and that's going to be about standard moving forward through Vermont. Overall, I've hiked 101.4 miles on the AT. My base layer is my rowing unisuit from 776. As well, I'm using 2 pairs of socks from 776, which are really good for breathability, but also cushion. My shorts are pocketless, short shorts for running, and my gloves are gardening gloves. And my buff is just a normal buff, but I actually got it from Insect Shield, and it's supposed to repel ticks and other bugs.